meat or chicken.
Mm-hmm.
The kids like it. So first you have to find a chicken. Very important to find a chicken. Chicken how to cook.
Okay. And then
You find a chicken.
mm,
Then you have to remove all the feather.
feather. Okay.
Okay. To remove the feather, you have to cook to the water. Then remove the feather one by one. Make sure it's clean now.
One by one.
Okay, but if you don't have time, you can buy from the giant.
From the market.
The market already have there. Just like that.
Okay.
Then you have to cut the chicken
Into.
pieces.
Okay.
Depend on your kids. If they
What?
if they want to eat more, then you cook whole chicken.
Okay.
So
So
veggie.
what veggie?
Don't know. What do you want?
You will not nobody else.
Maybe this one.
What is that?
Spinach or broccoli?
Can?
Huh?
Spinach. Broccoli also can. So what you prepared, honey? Chicken. And then what is that? Ginger.
Ginger
What else?
and the garlic
Garlic.
oil.
Oil.
Must have chicken.
Can I lower down the fire? No need. It's okay.
If you want the pan not sticky, right, you have to make it hot. Like this one, you see,
Oh.
the gas come out, right?
Okay.
Then you put the oil. Put the oil. Okay. Put some oil. Okay. And you make the oil to be balanced.
Huh? We have the here. Oh, you can use this.
Like this. So mix all the place to have oil. Then now you can
You can lower down the fire.
can turn the fire a bit softer.
Okay.
You have to do this step so
Do the step.
Yeah. So everywhere have oil. Then you lower down the fire. Then don't put the chicken so quickly. So
Okay.
you will still stick. Then you have to wait like 1-2 minutes. Then you put then it's not sticky. This one I watch YouTube, so I know. Subscribe to our channel. So subscribe to our channel. Our channel is Tang Family. Keep the bowl for me, the big one.
Big bowl.
Because the vegetable have chemical, you have to put some. Better put some salt,
Salt.
so
Okay.
you can remove away the chemical. Nama tak besar salt. Put the salt everywhere. You see that? You see the smoke come out a bit? Okay, now you put the chicken, put the you put the ginger and onion first. So like water.
Water, why water? My eyes. Han. Next.
Put chicken.
Chicken ah.
Put the chicken one.
Okay.
Put the chicken one by one ah.
Huh?
Put the chicken one by one.
Why?
Put all.
Why?
Water.
Oh.
You put all the water.
Then you can drink ah.
If it's already fried, you put all. You see ah, this one ah. If you realize it's not sticky anymore, you don't see the chicken.
Oh.
If you do this step, you don't always have to buy the non-sticky pan.
So even the non-sticky pan also can.
No, non-sticky pan, you don't need to do anything, it's not sticky, but yeah lah, sticky pan you do this step lah. This one, don't put the water so fast, you like fry the chicken a bit. So the texture is more like chewy. So later when you eat, taste nicer. Oh, you see, sticky already. That one is oil not enough oil. Because later I put a lot of sesame oil, so I don't put a lot of oil.
Oh.
See lah, sticky pan. At the first you see right, I put the chicken in the stick on. This one is. You see the skin become like yellow a bit,
Brown a bit.
brown a bit. Means it's already stir fried. Stir fried. So sesame chicken, the main ingredient is what?
Sesame.
Yeah, sesame.
Chicken.
Chicken is always nice chicken. The
What?
oyster sauce. Oyster sauce.
So oyster sauce.
You have to put more oyster sauce.
Why? Tasty
Yeah.
Okay.
Oyster sauce. And second is put sesame oil.
Sesame now.
Yeah. And this one you have to put a lot of sesame oil. And this is why I don't put a lot of oil.
Okay.
And any other thing, just
Smells good ah.
just what? Oyster sauce and sesame oil lah.
How about pepper?
Pepper no. Because it's a strong taste. The oyster sauce and the sesame oil already strong taste, so you don't have to put other things to make it tastier. Because when you cook, if you want the food is tasty, right? It's only like one main paste. You cannot mix everything, then you do not know what's the favorite anymore.
Okay.
And no other thing, no need other thing. Now you already put the what? Oyster sauce and the sesame oil. Now you put the water. And you put the water a bit, like just up to can cover all the chicken.
Okay.
Then make the medium
Fire.
to make it soft. To slowly boil.
Add
The
more.
chicken also can absorb all the taste.
Okay.
So along the way you can taste. If not tasty, then you can add more sesame oil.
Well, it's depend on your taste ah.
Depend on the taste. What taste you want. Or not.
Okay.
So sesame oil chicken.
And the kids
Then now
wait for 15 minutes.
No, I think more than that, 20 minutes now.
Okay.
Something like that.
Wow, Han, very nice.
So I don't know, but chicken not soft yet now. You have to continue to cook. But also a bit soft now. So now it's already 15 minutes. We continue to cook for another like 10. Let's see.
Do you like the smell? Careful, it's hot. It's chicken. Do you like it?
Yeah, right.
Wash your hands.
Sorry?
So how's your school?
Nice.
Nice. How's the taste?
Yeah, already tasty.
Nice, huh?
You don't have to put but you can put a little bit of soy sauce. Just to make the color nice.
Tastes good, Han.
Just like that, no? Very easy. No? If you want, you can put ginger, onion also. Only. Now I'm going to cook the
Little girl, the more the mom is behind from you. Oh, boy.
How? Nice? I want to see. Reggie.
Mama, can I see the picture? It's not picture.
How's the taste?
Nice, man.
Very good.
Hello, man.
You like veggie?
Look at what she's doing.
It's plate.
No, you're looking at it. And I'm
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.